what is responsible for the precipitous collapse of cryptocurrency of recent. Now, please pay attention and listen very carefully and get the facts. Listen carefully. Now, two massive whales in the cryptocurrency industry are particularly responsible, have been fingered to be responsible for this. They are BlackRock and Citadel. These two whales came together and went to Gemini. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange to borrow 100,000 units of BTC. Did you hear that? 100,000 units of BTC. That is over $4 billion US dollars. Maybe when BTC was at $40,000 per unit. By the way, this video is supported by CTN, Community Trust Network. If you really want to send your child to school, or you want to go to school in the UK or anywhere in abroad for that matter, from the visa, from everything, including the admission, and even getting you started over there abroad, they are the best I know for that service. Now, the plan was, you gave us 100,000 units of BTC when the price is $40,000. If the price can crash to $29,000, we could use $29,000 to buy one BTC, and we give you back your 100,000 units of BTC this time around at a lower rate. It's BTC we collected from you, take your BTC, and then the difference will now become their profit. But how would the price crash? They went to Luna and said, Luna, look, we want to buy a lot of your USD, a lot of it, but we don't want to move the market unnecessarily. So what we want you to do is, we would give you some of our BTC at a discounted rate. Listen carefully, please listen carefully. We'll give you at a discounted rate in exchange for your USD, which is your stable coin. Luna took the bet. They took the bet. So they did that swapping, that exchanged, okay? Now, as soon as they acquired the USD, what do you think would happen to the price of Luna? It would go up because they have acquired a lot of USD. So naturally, it would trigger the price of USD, of Luna, to go up. And as the price started going up, what did they do? They dumped the USD immediately. And as they dumped it, what will happen to the price? The price would crash significantly. It would trigger a massive sell-off of the Luna. And that was what happened to Luna. So as people were selling off Luna, the Luna Foundation said, what are we going to do? We need to hedge the USD against the US dollar. That has been the plan. So how are we going to maintain the price? The only thing they could do was to go to their BTC, including the reserves that they had, to pull it so that they can sell it off, realize money to hedge the Luna from collapsing. But before they even went to buy to their BTC reserves, this BlackRock and Citadel, they had also dumped their BTC, thereby making even BTC to do what? To crash. So as BTC was crashing, Luna came again to collect the reserves that they had, thereby contributing to the further crash of BTC. And this triggered industry-wide panic. As BTC was crashing, Luna was crashing, USD, which is the stable coin of Luna, was crashing, other coins followed suit and they started crashing. And as the price crashed to a low of probably $29,000, $28,000, even 26, I guess it got to 26. Now, BlackRock and Citadel can comfortably buy the 100,000 units of BTC at a very low rate and give back to Gemini. This is your 100,000. Now, let's go back to what is happening in the cryptocurrency business. Do you think that this is the right time to buy crypto? You see, the rule is this. The rule of making a lot of wealth from crypto is this. Buy when every other person is selling off. sell when every other person is buying. It's as simple as that. If you can target this very rule to the letter, you would make a lot of wealth from cryptocurrency. So do you think that this is the right time to buy? One, before we answer that question, you need to know what is responsible for panic sell-off. And we've identified it now. This information is in the public domain. Of course, Gemini had come out to deny what had happened. They say we don't have a hand in this. BlackRock as well as Citadel, they've denied flat. But you don't actually expect them to come into the public and admit, do you? In fact, what I'm telling you now was in the Twitter handle of the CEO of Cardano. This is a major name in the cryptocurrency space. He confirmed what I just told you. So once you know what is responsible for this massive sell-off, you would make good decisions. Okay? You make good decisions. Now, we've identified the reason, and this is trickling into the public domain. People are getting to understand, oh, this is the reason why crypto collapsed of recent. The next thing is stabilization. And once it stabilizes, what do you think would happen? A return. So I need you to figure that out for yourself, whether you should buy now or not. But I do think that I'm not expecting crypto to get to zero. It's not possible. And some of these coins, like AXS, that collapsed from $60, $40, all the way to $25, $24, even $21, even $19. I'm not expecting it to fall below that. GMT, which was moving very, very fast on the upward trend, almost at $4, collapsed to less than $1. I'm not expecting it to fall below that. And Bitcoin, even Ethereum, which was almost at 3,000 something dollars, eventually coming down to almost $1,000, 1,000 something dollars. I'm not expecting it to fall below. By the way, you know what is going to happen to Ethereum very soon, don't you? In a few months from now, Ethereum is going, I told you before in one of my videos, I told you Ethereum is going to do something significant which would contribute to a surge in the price of Ethereum. I need you to look for that video on this channel and then get yourself educated. Look, I'm really very sorry that for some time now we have not posted any videos, but that has been sorted. We're now back on track and we'll be posting videos much more regularly this time around. The next video is going to be a revelation of a sort. There is this app that is paying people between $100 to $400 just for doing something that you do every day, something that is part of your lifestyle, something that you should actually do every day. I'm going to tell you about that in our next video. I need you to forward this video to any person you know that is into cryptocurrency. Let us all understand the facts from the fiction so that we can make better decisions. Thank you very much for watching. Can you please subscribe to this channel? And can you hit the like button on this video? If you have any question, you can also drop it at the comment section and we'll attend to them. Thank you.